It's to raise money.
Anybody else up for 31? Seems to be our most popular contestant so far. Last call for 31. Then we got a few more throws here. Oh, looks like we have quite a few more today. The most popular contestant so far. Guys, come on. Let's coordinate our efforts here. Okay, here we go. Oh, man.
He's just soaked.
That's okay, we're still putting it down 3 times, right? Alright, anybody else? Last call for 31. Last call for, and we have one more man step up to the plate for 31. Oh, my God, that was close. The first one for the regulation line. Puts way down for the 4th time. Okay, Terry, what do you say? Everybody, please give a hand for 31 going down to the line 4. Not one, not twice, not 3 times. Thank you, Terry. Terry, you may put on your green Crocs again.
Wow, go Alex, holy cow.
And the next contestant is give us slow in 10 minutes, right? There she is in the flesh. So let's go. So we're going to have her up at 10.